Okay guys, this is the last and final video for Divi 2.0. Anything else for other modules I have on the previous videos for Divi for the previous version. This one I am going to show you how to do the map module and how to put the pins on the map. So let's go ahead and actually we're going to set this up as a specialty section because I can see how they did it already, and we're going to set it up like this one and then remove this one and do a full size and then add a row and add a 1/2 1/2, put in our sidebar, and then we're going to go to the map module, which is really cool because all we have to do is add in an address in here. So let me type in my city first, and it should be able to find it. Yep. And actually, you know what? Let's go with the entire state. That way we have a bigger view. And then let's scroll down. And let's scroll out as far as we can so that we can see more of this. And then we have the option farther up, as you could see, to add new pin. And we are just going to see if it will let us pin the state. But you can type in addresses here and it will pin the addresses, which is really cool. And then give the pin a title. So California, and then we're going to save, and down here you can actually put text in as well, and we'll actually do that quickly. Put in some demo text, and when you do this, because it's not pulling in directly from Google Maps, and you actually add in text like this, it will allow you to put in whatever text you want for the destination for the description. So it's actually really cool because there is quite a bit that you can do with it. You know what? We're just gonna do a little bit of text for the description and then say save. And now we have California marked and we have that text in there, and we can add as many pins as we want, which is also really cool because now every time when we say add a pin, that part is going to display below to add text in. So we can add all our own text, create all our own custom destinations. Let's say you were doing a restaurant site, you could mark all the restaurants with these pins, and you'd be able to have the pin with whatever text you wanted in there. So this is a really, really cool feature Divi has given us for creating new maps. Oops. And we will say find. And then let's just put this is the state of Minnesota and save. Now you see we have 2 pins here, and each of those will have the text that we put in. So now let's go ahead and save, and that's in the full width one. Now we're going to do 2 smaller ones, which are going to be in the module positions, but they're going to be smaller. So, and you could do something like this as well if you were going to do a separate ones on the page for separate places. I'm just doing it for the sake of the demo. So let's see. The title we will give this one is, let's see, let's search for somewhere else. We will search for Georgia. And remember, these titles are going to be what displays for this. So, and then this is the state of Georgia. Save. Save. And one more. Let's see what we do for this one. Washington, D.C. And there we go. I found it directly through there. This is the state of Washington, D.C. And now we are going to save that one. So now we have these 3 different maps in. Now let's preview. So now we have this one right here, and you see it says this is the state of Minnesota. This one right here, a little bit of text for the description. And let's see, yeah, that one only had 2 pins. So when we come down here, this is the state of Georgia. This is the state of Washington, D.C. So you can put your own custom pins with your own custom descriptions and mark all your own different places on your map. So this is actually a great, amazing tool that Divi has given people for free, because usually a program like this to do pinning like this would be a couple $100 at least. So another great, amazing thing Divi has put in. And then I'm also going to show you, because I have a sidebar in here, I am going to add a full width section, and there is a full width map section as well. So you can put a full width map with no sidebar that takes up the entire page. Okay, California. And okay, it looks like the full width one does not allow you to put descriptions in, but it will put a, actually it's because I didn't put a new pin. California. California. And a little bit of text. Washington, D.C. Washington. And you see how fast it finds a map too. It's using Google Maps, so it finds it instantly. This is Washington, D.C. And we'll do one more. So, Georgia. And this is Georgia. Georgia. Save. Save. and preview. And now we have the 3 areas marked. This is Washington, D.C., this is Georgia, a little bit of text. So that is how the new map module works. And that is all for the map module. And this wraps up the Divi 2.0 page builder template tutorials.